Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone out there is having a wonderful day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Play by Sephora box. If you're not familiar with the Play box from Sephora, it is a monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 sample or deluxe size products each month for $10 per month. The items that you'll find in your box can range anywhere from makeup, skincare, or hair care. And they are products that if you like, you can find at your local Sephora store. Now with that said, let's take a peek and see what's inside of this month's box. When you receive your box, it comes in a black and white striped box like this, and it says Play in red by Sephora. But I can't turn it around because on the front of the box they actually put my address label, so I can't show you the front of the box this month. Now, when we open the box up, it has all your products inside like this, and there's a, it looks like a coupon on top for 20% off. And it says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. I don't know if you saw that right there in the top of the box. Okay, and the first thing I'm pulling out, like I said, is a little pamphlet of some kind, a little Joy of Complexion. A drop of this, a dash of that. We're whipping up a recipe for the coverage you crave. And it looks like it says step 1, cleanser, step 2, moisturizer, step 3, primer, step 4, foundation. So it's just giving you a sequence of how to apply, I guess, your products from cleanser to moisturizer to your primer, and then going on with your foundation. And it has Play by Sephora 20% off October 15th through November 30th off of any foundation, tinted moisturizers, BB or CC cream purchase. Use code FOUNDPLAY online or present this card in store. And that's what that looks like, if you can see it. It's kind of big, so I don't know if you can see it all. And on the back here, it just has some pictures of different types of foundations, it looks like, or different types of products. So go ahead and show you that. Might actually be, I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and, okay, so your products come in a little bag like this. It's a little plastic bag that you can reseal, and this month is blue. I think that's kind of cute. And on the back it says Miniature Beauty, Major Satisfaction. All right, let's dive into this little bag and see what's in here. The first thing I'm pulling off the top is from Makeup Forever, and it is Matte Skin Velvet Full Coverage Foundation. So what I just realized, the products right here, the products right here are actually the products that are inside of the box. So we got a sample size of Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation, and it says Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation, and I got mine in the color Y505 Cognac. Okay, let's open it up and see what that looks like. Okay, oh, sorry. Oh God. That's what that looks like. Like I said, it is a sample size. And this color, let's see if it's close match. Put it on my hand right there. Hey, it might not be too bad. Definitely enough for me to try a full face with and see what I think. That's what it looks like on my hand. It's not, it might be a little darker, but I don't think it's too far-fetched. After I blend it out, I might be able, I don't know, it's kind of a little darker. But I can use it if I'm not going anywhere, or just to try it on and see if I like it and how it wears for a few hours. And if I like it, I can purchase it in my correct color. So I'm always happy to get little foundation samples, even when they don't match. Because like I said, you don't have to wear it out. I can put it on in the house just to see how it performs. So, all right, that's nice. You know, every once in a while, the boxes will send a little foundation. So I'm happy with that. The next thing we're pulling out of the box is, this is Moroccan Body Oil Night Body Serum. Let me see what it said. It says how to use before bed, massage a thin layer of oil all over your body in an upward sweeping motion to stimulate blood flow. Okay. That's different. Interesting. Night Body Serum, firm and smooth, Moroccan body oil. But I like body oils, so it may be worth trying. Like I said, this is a decent size for, looks like I'd probably get 1 or 2 applications out of that, because sometimes with oil, a little goes a long way. All right. So next we have something from Cover FX, High Performance Setting Spray. Okay, this is perfect. I've never tried the Cover FX setting spray, but the size is perfect to throw in my purse, and I'm going on vacation here soon, so that would be nice to have just to throw inside. Well, if it works well, that is. That's what that looks like. And I already have stuff on my face. Let's see. Let's shake it up. Let's just mist it and see how it feels. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a nice soft mist. Oh, it actually feels cooling. And the mist on this is really nice. The spray on that, it really is a mist. It doesn't come out and like drench you. It's just a nice fine spray. I like that. Oh, I'm excited about that. Like I said, I can try this out, throw it in my bag for, you know, when I'm out and about on vacation, I need to touch up and reset my makeup. This would be perfect. All right, next, I'm pulling out something from Tarte, and it's from Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation, Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Sunscreen. So it's a foundation from Tarte with sunscreen in it. Oh, let me show you that. I'm getting all excited to open everything without even showing you. That's what that looks like. Again, it's a sample size. Water Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Rainforest of the Sea collection in 42S Tan Sand. And that's, oh, this bottle is so cute. That's what that looks like. And the color is Tan Sand. Let me try this. Let me just put a little bit on my hand just to show you what the color looks like. Now this one may be a tad bit too light. I don't know. But like I said, again, they come in handy. Oh, I should have showed it to you. Well, that's fine. Put a little dab on there again so you can see the consistency and what it buffed down to. Like I said, again, these are great to just try out. And that kind of blends. It might be a little lighter than I would like, but that's what I rubbed in. Let's rub it in. And this is my hand, so it'll be a little bit different on my face. But it feels good rubbing it in. All right, look at that. Yeah, it might be a little lighter, a little too light, but I can add, maybe mix it with a little bit of another foundation. Like I said, I just want to give it a try and see if I like it or not to determine if I would buy a full-size bottle. Great. All right, so far 2 foundations. That's really nice. You know, like I said, it's nice to get something different, and it's not too many times that we get foundation. Every now and again, in different boxes, you might get one here and there, but it's not something that we receive on a regular basis. The next thing in here that I just threw out is from Smashbox, and it's the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I've tried Smashbox primers before, and they're pretty good. So I'm excited to get this as well in a nice little travel size. Okay, and the last thing in the bag, I think I said one more thing, yeah, is from Beauty Blender. It's Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. Okay, this is just a sample. That's the little sample card that they sent. And on the back, it says the color Blend 4.30 Warm. All right, so that's what that looks like. It's in the package. I really don't want to open it because the way it doesn't look like it's going to reseal. It says directions: flip open cap and push down to release formula, bounce damp beauty blender directly onto the surface and then apply to skin. Build and blend coverage as desired. I would really love to show you guys. Okay, so that, I guess that's the color on the back there. There we go. So I don't have to open it. I can just show you the color when I pulled it off. Okay. Not sure if that's the right color either, but listen, like I said, I'm excited about getting foundation. So they sent us 3 foundation samples in this month's play box, and I am here for it because, like I said, it definitely is helpful to get a small sample of foundation. Even if it does not match, you can try it out, feel the consistency, see how it wears on your face around the house for a little bit before going out and using your money to buy a full size foundation that you may not even like. So I'm excited. Thank you, Sephora, for this month's box. I really do like it. Anyway, guys, that's everything that we got in the box for this month. Again, this box is $10 per month, And even though everything is sample size, I love it. Like I said, they send a good variety of things each month, and anything that they have in the box is available at Sephora if you're interested in purchasing it in a full size, or a larger size, I should say. As always, thank you for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. If you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like before you leave, I'd appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.